All right, you guys. So the first thing we're doing with this problem, let's look at it. The table below shows the distance to certain cities from Charlotte, North Carolina, which is the closest city to Charlotte. What does closest mean? Good, it means smallest. So we're looking to see which one is the smallest number. Well, as I look, I see I have 2, 2, 4, 2. Well, I know 4 is biggest, so I'm going to cross out this. And I know all these 2's are the same, so I'm going to go to my next place value. I have 4, 7, 7. Which one is the smallest? Good job. This one is Los Angeles, California. So that means Los Angeles, California is our answer. All right, next one. A teacher wrote the number 37,518 on a board. A student wrote a number using the same digit. The 5 in the student's number represents 10 times the number that was on the board. So what number am I looking at? Good, I'm looking at the 5, and 10 times means how many loops? Good, one loop. So my 5 is going to go from the hundreds to the what place? Good, thousands. So which answer choice has a 5 in the thousands now? Good job. So my answer should be B. This should be my answer. So every time it says 10 times, that's one loop. All right, next one. The table below shows the number of students at a school in the years 2019 and 2021. In 2020, there were more students than in 2019. So for this answer, I got to find an answer choice that is more than this, but fewer means less than this. So which one shows more than 44,070? Which one can I think about it? Which one can I cross out? Which one shows more than 4,070? A shows more, B shows more, does C show more? C shows more, does D show more? No, so I can cross out D. Which one is less than though 4,700? Less than 4,700. C should be my answer. This one is less than 4,700 because this is 4,707, 4,770. That's more. So C should be my answer. All right, let's look at this last one. The third grade class at Hickory Ridge Elementary is raising money for charity. At the beginning of the week, they had $2,753. On Wednesday, they have $4,051. All right, what should I do with both of these to see how much money they have? Great, add it. So if I add this up, what's 3 plus 1? 4. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. So we have 6,804. But am I finished with this problem? No, I didn't finish reading it. Even though I see this answer, does not mean that's the answer. So the class received some more donations, but we don't know how much more. By Friday morning, the total collection amount had reached 12,743. How much was donated on Thursday? So it reached 12,000. I'm put it right here. 12,743. What do I need to do to figure out how much was donated on Thursday? Subtract to figure out the difference. So I'm going to subtract this. Can I do 3 minus 4? No, good job. Go to the 4, make it a 3, put a 1 in there. So 13 minus 4. Good, 9. 3 minus 0 is 3. Can I do 7 minus 8? No, go next door to the 2, make it a 1. Put a 1 in front of the 7. So that's 9. And then I have 1 minus 6, can't do. 0, put a 1. What's 11 minus 6? 5. So 5,939 should be my answer. All right, you guys, you did excellent on this. Hopefully you'll do great tomorrow.